I'm gonna show you how to make the ultimate skinny margarita. For the tequila, we're gonna be using Dulce Vida. I love the fact that it's organic and 100% agave. Let's prep the glass first, get it into a little lime juice, and then put it into some kosher salt. I like to just do a little half rim here. Throw some ice in, it's gonna chill the glass before putting the cocktail in. Let's get this drink going. We're gonna do 2 ounces of the Dulce Vida reposado. Pour that into a cocktail shaker with ice. Next up, we have some Naranja orange liqueur. We're gonna do 1 ounce. We're gonna be using some fresh lime juice. This is the trick to a really tasty margarita. Roll those babies out to get more juice. You're gonna juice them. Then we're gonna pour out 1.5 ounces of lime juice into the shaker. We're gonna sweeten the drink with some honey syrup. Layer just equal parts water and honey simmered in the stove. Throw in 3/4 ounce. Do a few dashes of fee foam. Get that nice foamy layer. Shake what your mama gave you. Pour into the glass. Now that is how you make a skinny margarita.